Hi all, in the today video I'm going to show how to write the logic for a read text functional module. In the first case I am taking material master text for example. Okay, just click on editor. If it is open Word document, just close it. Click on allow. Yeah, in the menu bar click on go to, click on header. Here we can get text name, language, text ID and a text object. Go to the functional module. Here click on test or execute. First text ID. Here we can get the text ID. Just copy it. Paste it here. Press tab key. Language is English. I'm entering EN. Press tab key. Name. Name I can get here. Text name. Just copy it. Paste it here. Next press tab key. Next object. Here the text object. Paste it here. Click on execute button. Here we can get the result. We get one entry. Click on this. My functional model successfully bring the material master text. Okay, in the next example we can see the purchase order. This is the purchase order text. Just double click here. It opens the Word document. Just close it. Now click on allow button. Do the same. Just go to the menu bar, click on go to, click on header. Here we can get the text name, language, text ID and text object. Go to the functional module, come back. Yeah. Here in the text ID, just remove it. Go to the purchase order. Here, this is the text ID. Paste it here. Language is same, English. Name, text name. This is the text name. Paste it here. Next, text object. This is the text object. Paste it here. Now click on execute button. Yeah, system successfully bring the one entry. Just click here. It is successfully bring the purchase order header text. Now we can see the how to bring the purchase order line item text. Just go back to purchase order line item, close it, come back, hide the header, click here, click on the text tab, just double click here inside the text space. Okay, close the Word document, click on allow. Do the same. Click on go to, click on header. Now go back to functional module. Click on come back. Click on come back. Okay. Just press tab key. Copy the text ID. Language is same. Now name. This is the text name. Copy it. It's showing including line item number. Paste it here. Press tab key. Now text object. This is the text object. Paste it here. Click on execute button. Now here we can get one entry. So just click on this. Now system successfully bring the purchase order line item text. That's it, today tutorial. Thank you.